So for this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know you guys love it when I use this palette, so I'm going to be using it today for this makeup, for this holiday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this video, but the first eyeshadow I'm going to be placing on the crease is going to be this eyeshadow called Jax, and I'm going to apply this with an E2 brush by ColourPop. I'm going to be applying that same eyeshadow I applied on my crease on the outer corner of my eye, and for my eyelid color I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. This eyeshadow is so beautiful. I love how much it sparkles, and I'm also going to be adding some glitter on top of it in a little bit in just a few seconds. So yeah, just keep on watching and then you guys are gonna see how everything turns out. So for the glitter, I'm going to be using this one by Urban Decay, and I'm going to be applying some on my brush, and then I'm going to be applying that on my eyelid. And I just feel like this really made the look stand out because it's really sparkly, and I just feel like it completed the look, and I'm just so obsessed with this look. So I really hope you guys like it. Right now I'm just going to be doing my eyeliner, and then I'm going to be moving on to lashes. Alright, so now moving on to my face makeup, I'm going to be using this primer by Milk Makeup, and I actually really like it. It makes my face feel really fresh and very smooth, and I really like that. Also for foundation, I'm going to be using their Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. This foundation is also by Milk Makeup, and I actually like it a lot, but I just feel like it's a little darker. So it's okay though, because I mix it with my concealer and it makes it a little lighter, but I really like it. I'm also going to be trying out their concealer today. They sent me a package, so I really wanted to try their products in this video. But anyways, the concealer I'm using today is the Flex Concealer, and this concealer is medium coverage. So it still covers, but not a lot. But I do like it. I feel like this is perfect for whenever I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I feel like this is the concealer for that. I'm going back to the eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying Jax on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be applying Beam on the inner corners of my eye. And this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and also make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be listed down below, so I'll see you guys on my next video.